Hello everyone, my name is Rezalyn Dellosa and we're gonna tackle about the Fibonacci sequence. Leonardo of Pisa Fibonacci. Fibonacci born in 1170 and died in 1240. One of the most talented mathematicians of the Middle Age. Popularized the Hindu-Arabic numeral system in the Western world formatted through his composition in 1202 of Liber Abaci, Book of Calculation. Fibonacci wrote a very famous book, Liber Abaci, to describe mathematics. Liber Abaci posed and solved a problem involving the growth of a population of rabbits based on idealized assumptions. Sequence is an ordered list of numbers, called terms that may have repeated values. Fibonacci sequence is an integer in the infinite sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Of which the first two terms are 1 and each succeeding term is the sum immediately preceding. In short, add the last two to get the next. This pattern is called the Fibonacci sequence. This pattern of numbers is already investigated by some Indians like Pingala, Mirahanka, and Himachandra. Example: if two newborn rabbits are put in a pen, how many rabbits will be in the pen after 1 year? Assume that rabbits always produce one male and one female offspring. Rabbits can reproduce once every month. Rabbits are produced when they are 1 month old, and they never die. We can start with the first pair of newborn rabbits at the beginning of the month. Since they are young to produce offspring, when they get old at the beginning of the second month, they still have one pair. This time the rabbit is old enough to reproduce, so at the start of the third month we will have two pairs. In the fourth month, the old pair will produce another pair, while the first set of offspring will be old enough to reproduce. So in the fifth month, we will have 5 pairs of rabbits. By using the Fibonacci sequence, we will have 144 pairs at the beginning of 12 months. However, we need to identify the number of rabbits after the year. So we need to continue the sequence after the 13th term of the sequence. So the final answer, 233 pairs or 466 rabbits. Fibonacci sequence in nature. Sunflower and the number of the petals of the flower is an example of Fibonacci sequence. Let's find the indicate term of the Fibonacci sequence. Let's find 9th term. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 25. Therefore, the 9th term is 34. Let's find 15th term. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 18, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, 233, 377. Therefore, the 15th term is 610.